Okay, A and B started a business with rupees 50,000 and 20,000. If he is working partner and takes 20% of the total profit as his salary, and remaining profit is divided according to the capital. In the process, A receives rupees 38,000 more than B. Find the amount of total profit. So okay, simplify this. So capital invested by A is 50,000. Capital invested by B is, so the ratio is 5. So capital invested by A, the capital invested by B is in the ratio of 5:2. Okay. Now A is a working partner. A is a working partner. Okay. A is a working partner and takes 20% of the total profit as his salary. Okay. So it takes 20% of the total profit as salary. For example, okay, profit, then 20% goes 20 units, then 80 units will be distributed. 80 units will be distributed. Distribute. Fine. Now 20%, so 20% will go as salary, and 20 units will be going to A's as a its salary because it is a working partner, and 80%, remaining 80% will be distributed according to the ratio of their capital. Okay, so we are assuming time 1:1 because they are there for the entire period, and we are assuming 12 months and 12 months, so the ratio is 1. Now here for the simplification, what we will do is 20% equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So what happens? You assume total profit as 5x. So A salary will be how much? 1x. Okay. So 4x will be distributed as a profit to the A and B in the respective of their capitals ratio. Okay. Now what he has given extra, if in the process A received rupees 38,000 more than B, if A receives 38,000 more than B, so A's profit is 5 units, B's profit is 2 units, so 3 units extra. Okay, 3 units extra. A receives 3 units extra, and also he receives the A salary. He also receives the salary. Okay, he also receives the salary. So can we write here 5 by 7 into how much profit they are receiving? 4x minus, okay, 2 by 7 into 4x. Okay, so that is the extra he receives. The A receives this much amount more than B. Okay, so now here 20x by 7 minus 8x by 7. Fine. So A not only receives this 20x by 7, he also receives x as salary. Okay, he also receives x as salary. So the total amount he receives is total amount he receives is x plus 20x by 7. This is the amount he receives. But how much more he receives? 38,000 more than B. So how much B receives? B receives how much? 8x by 7. So this is nothing but 38,000. Nothing but 38,000. Okay, this is nothing but 38,000. So here 27x minus 8x by 7 is equal to how much? 38,000. Okay, 38,000. 19x by 7 equal to 38,000. Okay, so here what we are getting? In x equal to, we are getting 14,000. See, here we are getting x equal to 1,000. So the total profit is how much? 5 into 14,000. The total profit is understood. Okay. Here what happened? What we are doing is, A is getting double amount. One as a salary because he is a working partner. Second, as he is an investing the amount. So as a investing 5 units in the capital. So for one year, so he is getting 5 units as a profit. Okay, because of his capital. Okay, because of his capital, and he is investing. So he is working for his working. He is getting 20%. So if we are assuming 5x as profit, he is getting x as salary. So then the remaining profit will be redistributed based on the business rules. What is the business rules? Because he is putting his capital, okay, they are putting their capital in the ratio of 5:2. So their profit is also on the ratio of 5:2. So one for putting his capital in the business. Okay. Second, working in the business as a working partner. So he is getting here x plus again 20x by 7. So his profit is how much? 5 by 7 into 4x, that is 20x by 7, and the B's profit is how much? 2 by 7 into 4x, so 8x by 7. This is A's profit, this is B's profit. So A's total amount of money is receiving is salary plus profit minus this B's profit is nothing but 38,000. How we are getting it 38,000? Because he is getting 38,000 more than B. He is getting amount more than B. So total amount he is receiving minus how much amount B is receiving. Okay, that is nothing but 38,000. Okay, correct. The amount A is receiving as a salary and as a share of profit minus A's share of profit, that is nothing but 38,000, right? So by this equation we got x equal to 14,000. We assume profit equal to 5x, so we got 5x is nothing but 70,000.